So current account deficit shrinks to 1.2% in quarter two. There's been a marginal decline in this. Earlier it was 1.3%, and it is believed the reason is high service exports. In that too, we are seeing that in current account, particularly, there are two components. The balance of trade first, where we are tracking the import and export of the merchandise, commodities, your goods, and second is the balance of invisibles, which is related to the export and import of the services. So there India has always enjoyed a surplus. That has been one of the main reasons why we are seeing shrinkage in the current account deficit. And it is believed that in the upcoming times, the future expectations about is that it might increase to even 2.5% of the GDP because of challenges related to rising commodity prices, the food inflation, weakening of rupee, which is the depreciation of rupee, which leads to imported inflation, and also rising of the raw material prices, particularly for the industrial inputs and the metals. And under GST, we then talking about the reforms which are needed in the inverted duty structure because we impose a high tax rate on the raw material imports. So these are the factors which might contribute to imported inflation in upcoming times. So these are, we can say, the external factors or the supply chain driven factors which are driven by the domestic demand in India. But India being a developing economy, if we are not having the alternatives domestically available, the import demand is going to increase. So in particularly services, we see that major services that have been contributing to good returns is the computer services, the IT services, where India has enjoyed competitive advantage. Business services, travel services, of late we are seeing that even financial services and the demand is also on the rise. Private transfer receipts, so remittances, FDI and FPI. Remittances are a part of current account, but FDI, FPI, and the NRI deposits are part of the capital account.